Good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss previous exam paper, yesterday exam paper. Okay? All of you read first question. All of you read first question.
No response. What happened, Ra? Are you there in meeting or not? Hello.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, all of you read first question. The graph of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x minus 2 is a straight line, intersects the x-axis x exactly 1 point. Here we have to find the intersecting point. Okay? So, what is the point on x-axis? Suppose this is a straight line. Suppose this is a straight line. It is touches the x-axis. What is the point here? On x-axis, what is the point of y? It is x comma 0. Do you understand? It is x comma 0. On x-axis, y value 0. Do you understand? Please respond.
Ma'am.
What is the point on x-axis? X comma 0. Okay? On x-axis, y value 0. We know y value. Y equal to 0. Y is nothing but our p of x. Do you understand? Padmavarshini, Prahasni. So y equal to 3x minus 2. What is our y value? What is our y value? 0.
0.
So equal to 3x minus 2. Minus 2 comes to this side.
2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2 equal to 3x. Then x equal
3x.
to. What is x value? X value.
X is equal to 2 by 3,
2
ma'am.
by 3. 2 by 3.
See which option is correct? Y value 0 and x value 2 by 3. Which option is correct?
C, ma'am. Option C, ma'am.
C, ma'am. Option C.
Option C, ma'am.
Do you understand
Option
any? Okay, second question. All of you read second question. Find the number of zeros.
Give below the number of zeros of the polynomial x is
See this function f of x. So our polynomial in terms of
3
x.
zeros,
So
ma'am.
which axis?
3 zeros.
X-axis.
3 zeros.
3 zeros, ma'am. 3 zeros.
Number of
3 zeros, ma'am.
touches the x-axis are called number of zeros. Here 3 times, correct? This graph touches the x-axis at 3 times. So number of zeros are 3. Option C is correct. Next, third question. Read the third question, all of you.
The graph of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is an upward parabola if
Upward parabola. Here given quotient of x square. Here A is quotient of x square. Okay. In this case, upward parabola means this like graph. X-axis, y-axis, upward parabola. See this graph. This like graph. So in this case, what is the A value? A value. How to find A value? Suppose take any example. P of x equal to you take simply x square. Okay, in this case what is the a value? What is the a value?
One.
Correct? It is greater than 0. It is positive. Do you understand? So if x equal to 0, take some points. If x equal to 0, what is the value? 0 square
0 square
equal
is equal to 0.
point is 0 comma 0. X value 0 and y value 0. Next, y value. Here y value 0. Suppose x equal to 1. What is the value? 1 square, correct? What is the point? Point. 1 square is 1. Point is 1 comma 1. Suppose if x equal to 2, what is the value?
4, ma'am.
4.
Which value, ma'am?
So 2 comma 4. Do you understand? In place of x, you can substitute the values. Suppose if x equal to minus 1, what is the value? Minus 1 whole square.
1, ma'am. 1.
Plus
Minus
1.
1 comma 1.
Minus 1 comma 1. Plot the graph. Suppose this is x-axis. Intersection point is 0 comma 0. Next point 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. See, first point is 0 comma 0, correct? 0 comma 0, this point. Second point, 1 comma 1. Where is 1 comma 1? On x-axis 1, y-axis 1. This point is 1 comma 1. Do you understand? Any doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
Next point, 2 comma 4. On x-axis 2, y-axis 4. Somewhere here. Next point is minus 1 comma 1.
Come on.
Minus 1 comma 1. This point. Connect all the points. See this graph? This is the upward parabola, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this case, what is the a value? What is our a value? P of x equal to x square. What is the x square quotient in this case? 1, correct? 1 is greater than 0, correct? So our a value is greater than 0. Upward parabola case, our a value greater than 0. Do you understand? Akshaya? Raj. Next, fourth question. All of you read fourth question. Fourth question.
All of you respond.
The graph of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is
Is a
downward parabola.
If
Fifth question is solved.
Fourth question.
Okay, 1 minute. Wait, all of you. What is the fourth question, Ra? Tell.
Downward parabola, ma'am.
Downward parabola. So,
Parabola. Third some opposite answer.
wait. Suppose let P of x equal to downward parabola. For example, our quadratic polynomial is minus x square. Okay, this is our example. Example for downward parabola. In this case, what is our a value? What is our a?
minus 1.
Minus 1. It is less than 0, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Less than 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So, substitute the points. If x equal to 0, what is the value? P of 0 equal to minus of 0
Minus
whole
0
square.
square.
It
whole
is equal to 0, correct? Point is 0, comma 0. Next, if x equal to 1,
P of 1 is equal
P of 1
to
equal to
minus 1 the whole square.
minus 1 into 1 square. How much it is? 1 square minus, right, as it is. 1 square is 1. It is minus 1. Point is 1 comma minus 1. Do you understand? Next, if x equal to 2, what is the value? If x equal to 2, what is the value?
4.
4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. 2 minus, right, as it is. 2 square is 4. So point is 2
2 comma
comma
minus 4.
minus
2 comma minus 4.
If x equal to minus 1, minus of minus 1 whole square, minus into
Minus 1 comma.
whole square is plus 1. It is minus 1. So point is minus 1 comma minus 1. If x equal to minus 2, what is the value?
Ma'am,
If x equal to minus 2, what is the value?
ma'am plus 4.
Minus 4, ma'am. Minus 4, ma'am.
Minus 4.
Minus of minus 2 whole square. Minus of minus 2 whole square is plus 4. Point is minus 2 comma minus 4.
Minus 4.
Okay. Plot the graph. X dash x
Y x is 0, x x is 0, ma'am.
y dash. First point is 0 comma 0, correct? So it is r is in. Next
Yes,
point.
ma'am.
Next point is, what is next point, Ra?
1 minus 1, ma'am. X
1
axis
comma
1, ma'am.
Okay. First point is 0 comma 0. Next point 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma on x-axis 1, y-axis minus 1. This point. Okay, this point is 1 comma minus 1. What is next point? Next point
2 comma minus 4.
2 comma minus 4. On x-axis 2, y-axis minus 4. This point.
2
Next point.
2 minus 1.
Next
1
point.
minus 4, ma'am.
Minus 1 comma minus 1.
1 comma.
Okay, on x-axis minus 1, y-axis minus 1. So this point is minus 1 comma minus 1. Next point. Next point.
Minus 2 minus 4.
Minus 2 comma minus 4. Minus 2 comma minus 4. This point. Connect all the points. See this graph? What is the graph? Name of the graph.
Downward back.
Downward parabola. Correct? Downward parabola. So in this case, what is our A value? What is our A value? It is negative, correct? Negative means it is less than 0. Do you understand?
Is it completed, Ra? Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes,
So
sir.
which option is correct?
Ma'am, at last, how to find the A value, ma'am?
A value. Oh, wait. A value. See this example. See. See, P of x equal to minus x square, correct? What is x square
Yes,
quotient?
ma'am.
What is x square quotient, Ra? In this case, what is it? General form of the quadratic equation? What is general form of quadratic equation? P of x equal to ax square plus bx
Yes, ma'am.
What is our A value? A value. See, minus 1 into
Ma'am.
x square, correct? Our polynomial P of x equal to minus 1 into x square. Next, what is our B value? 0, correct? 0 into anything? 0. 0 into x. What is our constant? 0. So equation become P of x equal to minus 1 into x square. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What is our A value?
Ma'am, minus 1.
Minus 1. So our A value less than 0 in case of downward
A is less
parabola.
than 0.
Okay, upward means A value greater than 0. Downward means less than 0. Okay, shall I go to next sum?
Okay, ma'am.
You understand or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to next one. Padmavarshini, Yalini, Rajni.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one.
Fifth sum. Read all of you. Fifth sum.
If A, ma'am, that is alpha only.
Alpha and 1 by alpha are zeros of the
Alpha or
polynomial
zeros of
ax square plus b.
ax square plus bx plus c.
Find the
Then
value.
value of
Correct? C means our constant. Okay. So here given zeros alpha and 1 by alpha. So we know the relationship between zeros and quotients. Say anyone. What is the relationship between zeros and quotients?
ma'am.
of zeros
Ma'am,
equal to
sum of
product
zeros
of
are
zeros
minus
equal
b
to
by a,
alpha,
ma'am.
beta
Product of
is equal
zeros
to
are
c by a,
Alpha
ma'am.
sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a.
Minus b by a. Product of zeros c
Alpha
by a.
theta is to C by E.
By a. Good.
c by a, ma'am.
In this case, alpha. What is our alpha? Alpha. Alpha equal to alpha.
Alpha, ma'am.
One, ma'am.
Beta,
Alpha equal to 1 by alpha, ma'am. Alpha plus 1 by alpha.
beta equal to 1 by alpha. But in this case, we want only constant. So which equation we want? This one or this
Ma'am,
one?
product of zeros, ma'am. Product of zeros.
Product of zeros.
Yes. What is our
How
alpha?
to use product of
Ma'am, alpha
Alpha
into 1 by alpha, ma'am.
Alpha to
1 by alpha, ma'am.
1 by
Alpha
alpha.
cancel.
Equal to c by a.
C by a. Alpha cancel, ma'am.
alpha cancel, man.
1, ma'am.
C is equal to A, ma'am.
Equal to 1,
C
ma'am.
is equal to
A,
a.
ma'am.
1
C
equal
is equal to
to by a. Then c equal to
C is equal to
A,
a.
ma'am. A,
A,
ma'am. C
ma'am.
is equal
comes
to
to this
A, ma'am.
A, ma'am.
A. So our c value a. Which option is correct? Fifth question.
Option B. Option B, ma'am.
Option B.
Important question. Fifth and sixth. Next. All of you
The
read.
zeros of the polynomial.
All of you read sixth sum.
The zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1 are the s and st. Then the value of s is
Okay. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial.
3, ma'am. 3. Cubic polynomial.
Polynomial.
Just wait, Ra. It has some problem. All of you solve, you have correct. Dharani, are you understand, Dharani?
Karthikeyan.
Okay, just wait.
ma'am.
Ask Ram.
Pranav, you also speak.
What is your doubt? Dilipan?
Okay, sir.
Dilipinath. Ask Ram.
Dilipan, you also respond, Ray.
Okay, sir.
Which question? Question number?
6. So, what is the degree of the polynomial?
3.
3.
3.
So,
Cubic polynomial.
what is the name? Name of the polynomial?
Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial.
Cubic polynomial means at most how many zeros? 3 zeros, correct?
3 zeros, ma'am.
3 zeros, ma'am.
Here given 3 zeros. alpha equal to S by T and beta equal to S and gamma equal to ST. Okay. So, what is the relationship between product of zeros and quotients in cubic
Ma'am,
polynomial?
alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus D by A.
Alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus D by A.
Minus D by A.
What is our alpha? What is our
Ma'am,
alpha?
S by T. S by T.
S by
S,
T.
S by T. Into
Beta
S.
value? S.
Into S. Into
Gamma
ST.
value? ST. Okay.
Equal to
Equal to
minus of minus 1 by 1.
minus 1 by, what is our A?
1.
1. Any
One,
And
ma'am.
TT cancel, ma'am. TT cancel.
TT get cancelled, which is equal to
S cube is
S
equal
into
to
S
1.
into
S
S.
cube is
Cube
equal to
equal to 1.
S cube. S cube equal to minus into minus plus 1.
plus
Then what
One.
is
S
our
is
S
equal
value?
to cube root of 1. S is equal to cube root of 1.
Cube root
Cube
of
root
1. Correct?
Of 1.
So which is equal to 1. S
1.
equal to 1. Do you
1,
understand?
ma'am.
So what is our option?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which option?
A, ma'am.
A, ma'am. A, ma'am. A,
A,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
1, yeah.
Ma'am, S means D value, ma'am.
S means? What is our S
Ma'am,
value?
minus
S means beta, not D. Beta value. Okay? Next. Shall I go to next sum?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. All of you read 7th sum.
So polynomial of degree 4
If
is
a
divided by
polynomial of degree
quadratic
4 is divided by a quadratic
the
polynomial, the degree of remainder is
So, if a polynomial of degree 4, here let P of x is our
Cubic.
polynomial. Degree of the P of x is 4. Okay? It is divided with quadratic polynomial. What is the degree of quadratic polynomial?
Ma'am, 3.
2, ma'am.
2.
2.
quadratic
2,
2.
2. Quadratic polynomial. So, that is our g of x. Do you understand? Degree of g of x
ma'am.
is
Degree of
so,
2.
what is the remainder? Remainder degree. Remainder degree always
remainder.
less than the divisor degree. Correct?
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
g of x is our divisor and p of x is our dividend. Okay? So, in this case, remainder degree. Our divisor degree is 2. So, what about our remainder degree? It is
Minus
less than the
less
divisor.
than the G
Correct?
of X, ma'am.
So,
Less
it
than
is
the
less
G of
than
X.
the 2, correct? So, which option is correct? Less than the 2. What are the chances? Less than 2 means either 1 or 0, correct? Either 1 or 0. So, which option
Minus-
is correct?
Minus 1, ma'am.
B.
B, ma'am, B.
B is greater than or equal to 1. So, this means 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma and so on. It is less than 2. Our remainder is less than 2. Do you understand? Remainder degree always less than the divisor degree. So which option? Here we
A,
have
ma'am.
2 possibilities. Either 1 or 0. A. Do you understand?
option.
A means greater than or less than or equal to 1.
1.
Which is equal to 1 or less than 1 means
0.
0. Option A is correct. Do you understand?
Okay, ma'am. Understand.
Okay, ma'am.
8th question, very simple question. 8th, sir.
Ma'am, 21, comma 84, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, 21, 84, ma'am.
21,
ma'am.
84.
Option B, ma'am. Option
These
B,
are the
ma'am.
factors.
Akshaya? Wait, who is there?
Dharani, Ajay.
Padmarshini is not there, correct? She left from the meeting, okay. Akshaya, you also respond. Okay. Do it.
Next. What is the values of x and y? X and y. These are the factors, correct?
84.
Y factors are 4 into 3, 4 into x and X can be factorized into 3 into 7. So what is our X value?
Ma'am, 3 7s are 21, ma'am.
3 sevens
X
are
equal to
21.
21.
Next, what
3
is our
and
Y
4
value?
factor 21, ma'am.
4 21s are 84.
84, ma'am.
So option
84, ma'am.
84, ma'am.
84. So option?
B, ma'am.
Option B. Option B.
Option B.
B.
Okay. Next, 9th sum. If HCF of A and B is 12 and A into B is 1800, then find the LCM of A and B. What is the formula for LCM and HCF?
LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two
LCF
numbers.
into HCF equal
HCF
to
equal to product.
Part of the
numbers
Product
A
of the
into B. Okay. Here we have to find the LCM and HCF is
ma'am, A
given.
to B 1800.
12. HCF is 12.
So what is A into B? A into B is given
1800.
1800.
Yes. So our LCM equal to 1800
1800 divided by
1800 by 12, ma'am.
which table?
By 12.
Which
Ma'am,
table?
12.
Ma'am, 150, ma'am.
Table.
150.
Table.
150, ma'am.
150. 12 15s are 180. Keep 0. 150. So our LCM equal to 150.
150, ma'am. Option C, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Next. Tenth question. All of you read 10th question.
If M
If
power
m
N
power
is equal to
If
32,
M
where
power
M
N
equal
where
to
m and n are
32,
positive, then the value of
N
n power m
Value
is
of n power
then
mn
the
is
value of N power M is
Okay.
A, ma'am.
Wait. What is the question? What is the given value? M power or N power?
m power n is equal to
M
M
power
power
N
N.
is equal to
M
32,
power
ma'am.
N
M power N is equal to
32.
32.
Right,
Ma'am,
32
N power Mn is
in the form of M power
we
N.
have to find the value of n power
M power NM or N power
Mn.
M or N?
n ma'am n.
N. Okay. N power NM. So how to write 32 in the form of M power N?
2 power 5.
2 power 5.
2 power 5, ma'am.
All of you clear? 2 power 5 is 32. So what is our M? What
N is
is
equal
our
to 2
M and
and
what
n
is
is
our
equal
N?
to 5.
Compare these two equations. M value
m is equal to 2.
M is equal to 2, ma'am. N is equal to 5, ma'am.
5. Okay.
5.
So here we have to find the N
Substitute.
power
n
N.
power
What is our N? N is 5.
5 ma'am.
5 power
5
5 to 10.
5 to
5 into
Mn, ma'am.
2 to 10 ma'am.
5 power.
5
power
power
10.
10, ma'am.
5
Power
power.
10 ma'am.
What is the value of 5 power
5 power
10?
10, ma'am.
Multiply
Ma'am, 9, 7.
correct? So 5 power 10, write it as 5 square into whole power 5. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
what is 5 square value? 5 square value
25.
25. How many times? 25 power 5. So it is 25 into 5 times, correct? 25
Yes,
into
ma'am.
25 into 25. So what is the 25 square?
625.
25. 625.
Yeah, 25 into 25 is 625. Or we don't know means apply the shortcut. 5 into 5 is 25. Remaining is the same. So 2 multiplied with next digit. 2 after which number? 2 after
3, ma'am.
3. 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6.
6.
So 25 square is 625. Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
What is 25 into 25 here? 5 into 5 is 25.
625.
2 multiplied with
625.
2 3s are 6. 625 into 25. Next. See. 5 into 5. What is 5 into 5?
25.
25. And remaining needs are same. 62. 62 multiplied with which number? After 62.
Two.
Successor.
63.
62 into 63. Do
63.
multiplication and say the answer. 62 into 63. What is the answer? 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37.
3906.
3906
6.
into 25, correct? So 25. This number multiplied with 25. Very difficult. So use short.
97,650.
Okay. If you don't know means apply the shortcut. This number multiplied with 25. 25 how to write? 100 by 4, correct?
5.
100 by 4 is 25.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many times? 4? 4 9s are 36, 3
Nine,
is
sir.
balance. 4 7s are 28, 2 is balance. 26 means 2 how many times? 4 how many times? 4 6 are 24, remaining 2. So keep point. 2 5s are 4 5s are 20. So what is the answer? 9 7 6 5. What is the answer? See answer, which option is correct?
Yeah.
A.
A option.
Option A is correct. 97650. Nine seven six five. Here we get something 6. Okay. Our multiplication is wrong. 3906 into 25. What is the answer? Mistake.
Solve. Mistake. All of you solve that.
What is the final answer? 625 into 625. 25, 5 into 5, 25. 62 into 63. What is the answer?
97,000.
90.
76,500. Then wrong. 90 lakhs. That is to check it.
Sixty-two into 63. See, here 5 into 5 is 25, correct? 5 into 5 is 25 and 62 into 63 is 390625. 62 into 63 value. Okay? We forget 25. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 390625 multiply with 25. You get the answer. Do multiplication. So option A is correct. Shall I go to next sum?
Respond, Ra. Is it okay? Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
11th one. Read the 11th question.
If 9 by 7
If 9 by
cube
7 power 3 into 49 by 81 power 2x minus
2x
6.
minus 6 is equal to 7 by 9 power
7 by 9 power 9. Then the value of x is
value of x is
Here you have to find the x value. Okay. Given 9 by 7 whole cube into 49 by 81 whole to the power 2x minus 6, which is equal to 7 by 9 whole power 9. This expression, entire expression equal to 7 by 9 whole power 9. So this expression we can write in the form of 7 by 9. Do you understand? Here this entire expression we can write in the form of 7 by 9. How to write
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the form of 7 by 9? See, first
7 by
expression is
9 power
9 by 7,
minus 3
correct? So change the right reverse of the ratio.
Reciprocal,
It
ma'am.
is 7 by 9
1 power
whole
ma'am.
power
minus
whole
3
power
Come on, try
Minus 3, ma'am.
inverse.
Minus-
Inverse means 3 become minus 3.
minus 3.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
49. 49 right in terms of
6 power, ma'am.
7 square by 9 square.
7 square and 81 right in the form of 9.
9 square.
9 square. Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Power 2x minus 6, which is equal to 7 by 9 whole power 9.
Power
See, first expression
Equating
7
the
by
powers,
9
ma'am.
whole power minus 3. 7 square by 9 square whole to the power 2x minus 6. 7 by 9 whole to the power minus 3, right as it is. 7 square and 9 square. Square is common. 9 by 7 by 9. 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x minus 6, which is equal to 7 by 9 whole to the power 9. Do you understand this one?
ma'am.
7 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 into 7 by 9. 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x. What is the value? 2 into 2x.
4x.
4x minus 2 into 6. 12. Which is equal to 7
Equate the
by
powers
9
now.
whole